Okay, so we are going through question 17, which says a box contains n marbles that are identical in every way except color, of which k marbles are colored red, and the remainder of the marbles are colored green. 2 marbles are drawn randomly from the box. If the first marble is not replaced into the box before the second marble is drawn, then the probability that the 2 marbles drawn are the same color is which of these? Okay, so the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to say, how many red marbles do I have? I have k red marbles. How many green marbles do I have? Well, the remainder of the marbles are green, so it's going to be my total marbles, which is n, subtract my red marbles, and that is going to be what it is, n minus k. What I'm now going to do is say, all right, I'm drawing 2 marbles at random. So that means we're going to have this, and my options are red or green. The probability of me pulling a red is going to be k over n, and the probability of me pulling a green is going to be n minus k over n. Now, what's the probability of me pulling another red, having drawn a red, and remember that we're not replacing them? It's going to be k minus 1, because I've already taken a red out, and remember, I have to subtract 1 from my denominator as well. I don't have to worry about the probability of a red than a green, because remember, we're finding the probability that the 2 marbles are the same color. So let's just ignore that. And that means down here, we're going to find what's the probability of going a green and then a green. Well, it's going to be n minus k minus 1 over n minus 1. So we can say now that the probability of getting a red then a red is going to be this times this. So k over n multiplied by k minus 1 over n minus 1. And that is going to be k minus 1 over n minus 1. And then the probability of me going g, then g, is going to be n minus k over n multiplied by n minus k minus 1 over n minus 1. And that is going to be n minus k minus 1 over n minus 1. Now, the probability that I pull out both, which are the same colors, is going to be the probability of red, plus the probability of green, which is going to be k minus 1 over n, and actually, wait, let me just do this in one shot. It's going to be k minus 1 plus this right here, n minus k minus 1 over, and because these are the same denominators, I can simply say that it's going to be n minus 1. Let's see if that's one of the options we have been given. And sure enough, it is D. So D is my answer. Let's see how people did with this question. As you can see, 43% of people got D as the correct answer. There is your working right there, which is what we did. Overall, a pretty nice question, considering that we are coming to the end of the multiple choice section, and a pretty high percentage of people got it right. Hopefully this was helpful to you, and I'll see you in the next video.